you see a pattern, or is there something similar or different between these problems? So turn and talk. Can you find a pattern or a big idea?
The first 3 questions that we did, they were actually going up by 4. Yeah. So while we're multiplying, the denominator stayed the same.
We went from a numerator of 1 to 2 to 4. So what did we do each time?
We multiplied it by 2.
Doubled it? So then what happened to the product?
It has to be added 4. Yeah. Multiplied
Because-
by 2 also.
Yeah, because it's doubled also, right? So 1, but 1 doubled to 2, right? 2 doubled, and then that product doubled to...
The first one. So it was.
It went up, so that product doubled. So it went from 4/15 to 8/15.
Yes.
I think they added 4 because 1 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12.
Ooh, so you're thinking they just added. Okay, interesting. All right, come back to me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do you think? Did you find a pattern or noticing, Elijah?
I noticed that the question we did 1/3 times 1/5, which was 1/15, and when we got all our answers, it went lowest and then greater and then lowest, and then it went lowest and then greater and then lowest.
So it increased each time, so it grew. Ooh, a pattern. Interesting. I see some me toos. Ellery, what are you thinking?
I think it was dividing by half each time.
Dividing by half each time? Whoa, can you tell me what you mean by that? Because my mathematical brain didn't go there. So you go, girl. What did you... Tell me more about your thinking.
So, or it was timesing by half.
Times it... You doubled it each time?
Well, yeah, but this, so for example, 4/15 is, and then we did 4/15, so we did 4/5 times 1/3, and then we got 4/15, and then we did 4/5 times 2/3, and we got 8/15. So you were kind of timesing or adding half each that time for this.
So I think what you're noticing is you looked at the 1/3 times 1/5, and then I feel like I'm missing an equation here. And then what was the second problem you said?
And then it was 4/5 times 1/3.
So then we had 4/5 times 1/3. So we went from, I'm going to put this in a different order, 1/5 times 1/3. And then we went to 4/5 times 1/3. So something happened to the fifths. And I think what you're saying is something then also happened to the product. Yeah? Maya?
I respectfully agree with Ellery. And I also think that at first it was 1/5, and it went to 4/5. It added 4. It went from on the first one the answer was 1/15, and then it went to 4/15.
So you noticed a pattern here, 1/15 to 4/15, and then didn't we end up with 8/15?
Yeah, because 1 plus 4. I think they're adding 4 every time, because 1 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12.
Interesting. Interesting noticing. Finn, last one. What are you thinking?
Oh, I was thinking that when the numbers on the bottom, whatever they're called, the 5 and the 3,
The denominators?
the denominators, when we got the answer, they were all 15s.
Oh, so you notice we kept the denominators the same, so then the denominators in the answer was also the same. So Ellery noticed that the numerators changed, and the numerators changed in the problems also. Interesting. That was really good. That was a really good number talk. Yeah. Great job, mathematicians.
you.